Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this mixed media art. Recently, I have made 3 mixed media mandal arts and I wanted to try something different, so I decided to make a tree. I had some chopsticks at home and I glued them together to make the bark of the tree. Then I mixed some Fevicol molded clay and started making the branches of the tree. If you don't have the chopsticks, it's completely fine. You can skip that. You can make the whole arrangement using only Fevicol molded clay. Once my basic structure was ready, I cut off the handles of these wooden spoons and then glued them along the branches to make it look like leaves. Once the whole arrangement was dry, I painted it all with 2 layers of white acrylic paint. Then I painted the background with yellow color and the leaves with green. Then I created some details on the leaves with STA acrylic markers. I have been using these acrylic markers for most of my artworks now. I absolutely love them. They are so convenient to use and save a lot of time. Our painting is complete.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is artwithsonam. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.